In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best stand mixers available on the market. We research web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the stand mixers list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the stand mixers mentioned, be sure to check the description. Subscribe to our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, KitchenAid Stand Mixer. Renowned for its reliability and versatility, the KitchenAid Stand Mixer is a staple in both home kitchens and professional settings. With its durable metal gear system, it can effortlessly tackle heavy doughs and thick batters without strain. The included attachments, such as the cream whisk and dough mixer, provide a range of options for culinary experimentation. Whether you're whipping up fluffy cakes, kneading bread dough, or blending creamy frostings, this mixer delivers consistent results every time. Number 4, SUNATUR 8L Stand Mixer. Designed to streamline your cooking process, the SUNATUR stand mixer boasts an impressive 8-liter capacity, making it perfect for preparing large batches of dough or batter. Its planetary mixing action ensures thorough blending, while the included beater attachment simplifies tasks like crushing ingredients or mixing sauces. Ideal for home cooks who love to entertain or for those who enjoy meal prep in advance, this mixer offers both power and efficiency in one sleek appliance. Number 3, Kitchen Electric Mixer with Bowl. Engineered for efficiency, the Kitchen Electric Mixer with Bowl combines power and precision to handle a variety of kitchen tasks with ease. Its 5-liter capacity bowl provides ample space for mixing ingredients, while the 1500W motor ensures thorough blending and consistent results. Whether you're whipping cream, kneading dough, or blending sauces, this mixer offers versatility and convenience for everyday cooking needs. Number 2, Snow White Tilthead Electric Stand Mixer. Sleek and stylish, the Snow White Tilthead Electric Stand Mixer adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen countertop. Its tilthead design allows for easy access to the mixing bowl, making it effortless to add ingredients or scrape down the sides. With a powerful 800W motor and 6 adjustable speeds, this mixer offers precise control over mixing for a variety of recipes, from delicate meringues to hearty bread doughs. Number 1, WEYOLI 1500W Multifunction Stand Planetary Mixer. The ultimate kitchen companion, the WEYOLI Multifunction Stand Planetary Mixer is packed with features to simplify meal preparation. Its powerful 1500W motor effortlessly tackles tough mixing tasks, while the multifunctional design allows for grinding meat, juicing fruits, and processing food with ease. The 8-liter stainless steel bowl provides ample space for large batches, and the built-in timer ensures precise mixing times for consistent results every time. Perfect for home chefs who love to experiment with different cuisines and techniques, this mixer offers versatility and performance in one robust appliance.